Unity is abuzz with excitement, and this time it's not from some roaring kiddie post. That's because they made a significant partnership with BMW Group, which has chosen Unity Asset Manager to power its innovative 3D asset management platform called 3D Mine. This platform is a crucial step in BMW's digital transformation journey, enabling the company to collaborate more efficiently, maintain stronger security, and streamline operations across various teams. The partnership aims to tackle long-standing challenges BMW faced in managing its vast 3D asset libraries. These challenges included version control issues, inconsistent file formats, and collaboration hurdles that hinder the company's ability to work efficiently. Unity Asset Manager simplifies and centralizes the process of managing 3D assets, providing BMW with the necessary tools to scale content creation and drive innovation across different departments. According to Alex Blum, Unity's chief operating officer, the company is proud to support BMW's vision for a smarter and more connected future. With Unity Asset Manager, BMW's teams can work in sync, relying on a single source of truth for 3D assets while maintaining enterprise-grade security. This collaboration is expected to drive innovation and reinforce BMW's leadership in automotive digital transformation. The Unity ecosystem offers advanced visualization and real-time collaboration capabilities, which will enhance workflows across BMW's design, engineering, and marketing functions. The 3D Mine platform is built on a scalable architecture designed to grow with the evolving needs of BMW's global operations. Another huge reason the big U has been attracting more attention as of late has to do with speculation that Apple might acquire Unity Technologies following recent legal setbacks that have impacted Apple's App Store revenues. Industry analyst Joost van Drunen suggests that Apple could buy Unity to gain control over the supply chain, particularly given Unity's dominance in the mobile game development space, powering over 70% of mobile games. This potential acquisition could be transformative for both companies, as evidenced by Unity's stock surging 25% in the past 5 days. Unity's current investment narrative revolves around operational transformation and the success of its vector ad platform. Following Apple's legal defeat to Epic Games, which resulted in the loss of control over App Store purchasing fees, the idea of an Apple acquisition has gained traction. Unity's integration into Apple Vision Pro and its dominance in mobile game development would allow Apple to strengthen its platform and potentially shut out Epic Games, a major competitor. Unity is undergoing a transformation, investing in AI, subscription upgrades, and operational discipline to create a more predictable and higher-margin business. The company is also diversifying its footprint into non-gaming verticals, with recent partnerships with Toyota and Raytheon contributing to a 50% jump in revenue from the industrial segment. However, Unity has faced challenges in recent years, losing the trust of the game development community after changing its business model. Despite these challenges, Unity's narrative implies meaningful revenue and earnings expansion, albeit with significant execution risk. Analysts forecast 6.3% annual sales growth over the next 3 years, but Unity is not expected to reach profitability during that period. However, if profit margins rise to the industry average of 12% by 2028, Unity could see a significant jump in earnings per share from -$1.39 to 55 cents, with earnings of $262.4 million, a substantial increase from the current negative $664.1 million. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.